Hello you guys, Cimplycece here and welcome back to my channel. You guys, today I am doing a Sisterlock updo style for you guys. This is what we came up with, half up, half down. I did it the other day when I went out and I thought it was so cute. I didn't take any pictures because I was all dressed up. But I did want to redo the hairstyle because I thought it was cute. And I came up with it on a whim. And me doing it for the second time, I still like it. I think it's a cute little simple updo. It's literally a ponytail and 3 twists. So if you are interested in how I got this look, please keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, please sure to subscribe. Here on my channel, I like to focus on faith, fashion, fitness, and some beauty. And I'm also documenting my Sisterlock journey, as you can see. And yeah, if you're interested in any of those things, please subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads, and share if you think this video can be helpful. So without further ado, let's jump back right into this hair tutorial.
Sometimes I shave my legs and sometimes I don't. Sometimes I comb my hair and sometimes I won't. Depending on how the wind blows, I might even paint my toes.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Cimplycece here, and I am coming with another Sisterlock styling tutorial. Sorry for my girls who aren't fans of half up, half down, so we are definitely doing a half up, half down, as you saw in the intro, and I'm super excited to share it with you guys. I've been telling myself I want to do this a little bit more, and the reason I have not been putting out videos is because, you guys, I just simply have not been being creative with styling my Sisterlocks, but I have been exploring a lot more, and actually I came up with a hairstyle idea while I was editing this video, so I'm so excited to come back with that eventually. But here, as you guys can see on the screen, I am just sectioning off my hair. As I said in the intro, this is a tutorial. It is literally 3 twisties, flat twist, not 2 strand twists, nothing special, up into a ponytail, and then just pinning it, as you guys will see. So right now, you know, I'm just sectioning off, making sure my sections look like I want them to, and then I'm going to proceed to twist up this side.
I hear a lot about sin. I hear a lot about sin. Don't think that I'll be a saint. Don't think that I'll be a saint. But I might go down to the red. I might go down to the red. There's a way that the sky opens up when we touch it. It's making me say that the way you hold me, 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 feel so holy, 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 holy.
Okay, you guys, so actually before I start to twist, I'm going to balance out both sides of my hair to make sure my sections are pretty much even. That's what I'm doing. And then I'm going to rubber band them to keep the hair out the way. If you are new to styling your hair on your own, sectioning is key. It will really help you not get lost. So take your time, section your hair out to make sure that your sections are clear and clean and you will not get lost while you're doing this. I'm going to do these 2 flat twist up, but before I jump into that, I'm going to establish my ponytail. It's going to be my foundation for the hairstyle, you guys, and it's going to be what I'm going to come back to. So basically, this ponytail I'm about to put on the top is going to be where my 2 twists that I'm going to, well, 3 twists I'm going to do in total are going to meet up, and where I'm going to use as like a cushion for my hairpins when I pin up the top. And you guys will see that a little bit later in the video, so keep on watching.
Touch me, this open, this open. Touch me, this open, this open. The first that pleases the Father. Might be the hardest to take. Might be the
Okay, you guys, so I know some of you will ask what this oil is. This is, I believe it's called Triple A, and it is an oil that a fellow stylist I work with has gifted to me. I am going to be asking her about links, but I wanted to show you guys what it was because I know people ask. I love it. It smells amazing, and this particular stylist makes it herself. So when I find out if there's a way for you guys to purchase it as well, and I'm still kind of new to using it, but I have absolutely been loving it, I will make sure to come back and share that link, or I will just edit a short so you guys can see it. So now as we look at my hairstyle, you can see I have the 2 twists on the side, and they both come up to the top. Keep your ponytail like loose. It does not need to be tight. It needs to be sturdy but not tight. And then we're going to start the front twist, which I'm going to have to redo later on, as you guys are going to see. And that's just because I forgot to leave out a few locks so that my twist could turn up. So initially when I did it, I didn't pull out these few locks like you're seeing, and I just left those out so that as this twist curves, those 4 locks will wrap around the end of it. And here in a minute we're going to slow it down so you guys can see how I'm using those locks to wrap around and establish, like basically continue this twist so that it can reach, because you can see that I'm at the end of my locks, like the hair is run out. And so these 4 locks that I left out are going to help this this twist in the front reach the ponytail. I hope that makes sense, you guys. I tried to slow it down so that you could see what I'm doing, but I'm just wrapping those last 4 locks around the very tail end of the twist I did across the front. And then I'm going to do as normal, end up rubber banding it to the ponytail. But before I can do that, I do have to hairpin it down, because y'all know I used to call it struggle edges, but they're thriving edges, okay? And I'm going to use these hairpins to hold it in place. This does not hurt. This just keeps the twist from lifting up away from my scalp. So be careful. If you guys do this hairstyle and it is hurting, you are not doing it right. However you position, that's so rude, sorry guys. However you position the pins, make sure that they are not hurting your scalp. Okay, you guys, so we have reached the part that I think is the most challenging. Right now, I'm just actually using the short hair pins. I showed you 2 because some of them are long, some of them are short. I have shared those. I will make sure to link everything that I can. But I'm just making it neat, and I'm just tucking in all of my locks that were too short and couldn't reach. So my twist looks seamless and smooth, and it's just laying like it can reach, but it can't. So that's all I'm doing. And as we do the top, I know that was kind of quick. I am just twisting until my hair wants to coil, and I'm sticking a hairpin in it. I'm being very careless. I'm being as nonchalant as it appears that I am on the screen. I'm just grabbing little groups of locks, twisting it around clockwise until it starts to coil, and pinning it so that I get it makes my locks spike or stand up. And just keeping it simple. And I'm just gonna do this until I've gathered up all of my locks that are in that ponytail. And once I'm done, I don't like the fullness of it. I feel like it's a little too small. So here in just a second, you're gonna see me gather hair from the back to balance it out. And I'm so glad you guys get to see it, because sometimes things aren't perfect, and I'm gonna show you that you don't have to take everything down. But I was not liking this. It wasn't giving me the effect that the hairstyle had the first time I did it, and I realized I just didn't grab up enough hair. So all I'm gonna do is start grabbing hair from the back, not rubber banding it. I'm just literally twisting it like I did the ponytail until it coils, and then I'm going to pin it into that base cushion that is the singular ponytail that I put at the very beginning. And that's all I'm going to do going around. I'm going to use my mirror to make sure I keep it balanced, and so my part still looks very unique. I mean, not unique, you guys, very straight. It doesn't look like I just grabbed hair from anywhere. I do like neatness. I'm a little, you know, kind of a perfectionist about that, but I'm a hairstylist, so you can't really blame me. But so I wanted to still look very even and not messy in the back, even though this hair wasn't initially gathered up when I did the ponytail. But once I finish this, you guys, you will not be able to tell that I added this here later. So it worked out really well. So honestly, you could do this and make it as big and as full as you want, or you can keep it as, you know, small as you like. Whatever to your liking, just have fun with it. I just want to give you guys another idea of what to do. It's a style you can do. You do not have to do the twist. If you don't want to, you can probably just smooth this up, but this is just a style I did. Always look at it as an opportunity to do something different. So here we are coming up on the finished look, and I'm going to let you guys look around. I still think it is so cute. Be sure to comment down below, you guys, if you liked it or what you didn't like or what you would change. And as always, you guys, stay blessed, stay motivated, and stay close to God. And I will talk to y'all in the next one. Bye.
I prefer my own. What God gave me is just fine.